PayPal payment works through a secure and straightforward process, facilitating transactions between individuals, businesses, and merchants. Here's how PayPal payment works. Initiating payment. To make a payment using PayPal, the buyer selects PayPal as the payment method during checkout on a website or mobile app. Logging in. The buyer logs into their PayPal account using their email address and password. Alternatively, they may use PayPal One Touch if enabled, allowing for quicker checkout without needing to log in each time. Selecting funding source. The buyer selects the funding source for the payment, which can include their PayPal balance, linked bank account, credit card, or debit card. Confirming payment. After selecting the funding source and verifying the payment details, the buyer confirms the payment. PayPal securely processes the transaction in real time. Notification. Both the buyer and the seller receive a notification confirming the payment. The seller can then fulfill the order or provide the purchased goods or services to the buyer. Transaction completion. The payment is processed and the funds are transferred from the buyer's selected funding source to the seller's PayPal account. Security measures. PayPal employs encryption and fraud prevention measures to ensure the security of transactions, protecting both buyers and sellers from unauthorized activity.